Hello and very good evening to my dear students and all the viewers of my channel. I welcome you back. Today we are with the quiz of lesson number 6 from history class 8 and name of the lesson is Weavers, Iron Smelters and Factory Owners. So let's get started. Our first question is Dash in Gujarat was one of the most important ports of Indian Ocean trade. Options are Surat, Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, all of the above. And the right answer is Surat. Surat in 17th century was one of the most important port of Indian Ocean trade. Question number 2. Britain came to be known as workshop of the world due to large production of cotton textile, iron and steel, both A and B, none of these. And you have to choose one of the right answer. And the right answer is both A and B. Let's move to question number 3. Patola weaving has become local weaving tradition of which country? Pakistan, Indonesia, South Africa, Europe. And the right answer is Indonesia. Why? Patola, actually it is a print which was normally woven in Surat, Ahmedabad and Patan. Highly valued in Indonesia, and it has valued so important that now it has become the part of local weaving traditions there. There means Indonesia. Question number 4. Calico name was used for which textile? Cotton textile, silk textile, wool textile, none of these. Right answer is cotton textile. This name was driven from Calicut, Calicut, Cali, and co means cotton. So this name was used for the textile, cotton textile of Calicut. Question number 5. Identify the print in the given image. Can you recognize? Patola, Chint, Jamdani or Bandana. And this is the chint. Printed design on fine cloth produced in Machilipatnam, Andhra Pradesh, mid-19th century. It is a fine example of type of chint produced for the export to Iran and Europe. This type of print in which very small flowers are shown here, and it was exported to Iran and Europe. Question number 6. Jamdani is usually a mixture of cotton and dash thread. Silver, platinum, gold, all of these. Jamdani print typically done in gray and white, and often a mixture of cotton and gold thread used. And the most important center of Jamdani weaving are Dhaka in Bengal and Lucknow in United Province or UP. Question number 7. Dash refers to any bright colored or printed scarf for the neck and head using the method of tying and dyeing. Patola, Chint, Bandana or Jamdani. Right answer is Bandana. Bandana is a print which is have two tie and dye silk pieces are sewn together with gold thread embroidery. Bandana patterns were mostly produced in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Question number 8. Identify the print in given image. See, And options are Patola, Jamdani, Chint, Bandana. Yes, it's Bandana. See, here is a line between this print. Usually, it is used for two tie and dye silk pieces. Two. And it is used in dark colors and used for scarf near the neck. Question number 9. Where did British government enacted Calico Act? 1710 AD, 1720 AD, 1730 AD, 1740 AD. And the right answer is 1720 AD. Why? Why the British government enacted this act? Government enacted this act to stop the import of Indian khadi or cotton textile, especially chint in Britain, so that the Britain industries may grow up. Question number 10. Who invented steam engine in 1786? John Kay, James Hargreaves, Richard Arkwright, none of these. It was Richard Arkwright who invented steam engine in 1786. Question number 11. Which was the foremost textile center in 18th century for its malmal and jamdani? Jamdani is a work of cotton and gold, and malmal is a very fine, very smooth cloth which can be collected into small piece. But it is a famous from which place? Lucknow, Lahore, Dhaka, Madras. And the right answer is Dhaka, Dhaka from Bangladesh. Which one is matched wrongly? Tanti rivers of Bengal, Momin or Julaha of North India, Sale North India, or Devangs South India. You have to choose one right answer that is wrong, that is matched wrongly. And the right answer is Sale North India. The Sale weavers are working or found in South India. Dash was a Persian term used for warehouse. Warehouse is a place where goods are kept, where goods were kept before being sold. Workshop, granary house, orang, none of these. And the right answer is orang. Question number 14. Dash and dash became the symbol of nationalism in the early 20th century. Charkha or khadi, flower and plant, silk and cotton, all of these. And the right answer is charkha and khadi. Due to Gandhiji wanted that charkha and khadi should be grown up and promoted so that industries may grow up in India. First cotton mill in Bombay was established in 1854, 1856, 1858, none of these. And the right answer is 1854. In 1900, mostly clothing mills were operated by Parsi, Gujarati, both A and B, none of these. And the right answer is both A and B. Parsi and Gujarati operated clothing mills in 1900. Identify the image and tell whom does it belong to. Options are Tante Tope, Bahadur Shah Jafar, Wajid Ali Shah, or Tipu Sultan. Dear students, this type of image or sword is known as Tipu Sultan's sword, which is made by woods, iron. Tipu Sultan, who ruled over Mysore, fought 4 wars with the French, the British, the Dutch, the Portuguese. And the right answer is the British. Tipu Sultan's sword was made of fine steel, iron, gold, wood, steel. Yes. Right answer is wood, steel. Dash is the process of obtaining a metal from rock by heating it to a very high temperature. Refining, finishing, smelting, all of these. And the right answer is smelting. Who helped in the discovery of iron ore, which was supply of Bhilai steel plant? Santhals, Agarias, Gonds, or all of these? And the right answer is Agarias. It was a period when Dorabji, son of Jamshedji Tata, and Weld came to a small village and found a group of men and women carrying basket loads of iron ore. They were Agarias, and when they asked where they had found the iron ore, Agarias pointed to a hill in the distance. It was a period which helped in Bhilai steel plant to be taken place. Question number 22. Rajhara Hills are famous for cotton, ores, rubber, aluminum. And the right answer is ores. Ores are the metals, roughly made metals with a large number of impurities. Which company became the biggest steel industry in 1919 with British Empire? SAIL, BHEL, TISCO, all of these. And you have to pick one of the right answer. And the right answer is TISCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company. I hope you must have enjoyed the test. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you so much and have a nice day.